Hello and welcome to Saras's classes. Today we are going to solve two questions from reasoning ability. As we know that reasoning is one of the most important portion in any competitive examination, and it is the most hardest one also, as it contains the most conceptual complexity in it, and it requires all your conceptual clarification while doing these questions. If you want to hike your marks in this portion, then the only way to do so is rigorous practicing, and all your conceptual concept should be clarified before going into the examination. Now let's start with the first question. In this question we are given that in a class, among the past students Anita is 22nd from the top. Okay, and Kalyan, who is 5 ranks below Nita, is 34th from the bottom. Therefore the rank of Kalyan from above is 22 plus 5, that means 27th, and 34th from the bottom. Okay, now all the students from the class appeared for an examination. If the ratio of the students who passed in the examination to those who failed is 4:1 for the class, then how many students were there in the class? Okay, therefore we can say that the total number of students who passed is equals to 27 plus 34 minus 1, and this is equals to 60. Now let the number of students passed is equals to 4x, the number of students failed is equals to x. Then by the question we can say that 4x plus x is equals to 60. This implies x is equals to 60 by 5. Hence x is equals to 12. Therefore the total number of passed students is equals to 48, and failed students is equals to 12. Sorry, I have made a mistake here. This is 4x equals to 60 must be, because 60 is the number of students who have passed the examination. Therefore the value of x is 60 by 4. Okay, (60 by 4). Hence the total number of students passed the examination is 60, given by the question already, and the failed number of students is 60 by 4. Therefore the total number of students is 60 into 5 by 4, which results in 75. Okay, therefore the right answer is option 3. Now let's check the next question. Mukesh is taller than Suresh but shorter than Ramesh. Rakesh, sorry, shorter than Rakesh, and Rakesh is taller than Harish but shorter than Amar. Now, who among them is the shortest with regards to height? So first of all, we are given that Mukesh is taller than Suresh. Suppose Mukesh is denoted by M and he is taller than Suresh. Suresh is denoted by S and shorter than Rakesh. And Rakesh is taller than Harish but shorter than Amar. Therefore, there is a relation between Mukesh, Rakesh, and Amar. As Mukesh is shorter than Rakesh and Rakesh is shorter than Amar, therefore there is a height hierarchy between Mukesh, Rakesh, and Amar. While Amar is the tallest one and Mukesh is the shortest one, but it is also given that Mukesh is taller than Suresh. Suppose this is denoted by Mukesh is taller than Suresh and Rakesh is taller than Harish. But there is no relation in between Harish and Suresh. Therefore, we cannot say, we cannot establish uh, the height hierarchy between all the five of them. Okay, so we cannot find who is the shortest one among all the five persons. Therefore, the right answer is option 5 cannot be determined. Okay, so we have solved two questions and that's all for today. If you want to know more about reasoning ability, then you can join our classes. Feel free to WhatsApp us 9836793076, 9874822756. These are the WhatsApp numbers, or you can just check our website for further details, which is www.saurasysclasses.com. Thank you very much.